This is Bacon the fashion dog. Let's dress him together. Today he's going to a party where the theme is the color blue. Can you find what color is blue? That's right. First, he needs a shirt. Which button do I click to find the shirts? Yeah, that one. The first shirt is like a painting of the night sky and has stars. The second shirt is a fuzzy blue top. The sleeves are soft to the touch. Can you name something else that is soft? Cool. The third shirt is a sparkly blue top. Do you have something sparkly in your house? The last outfit is a sweater just like a grandpa would wear. Does your grandpa have a sweater like this one? Which shirt do you think Bacon should wear to the party? He chose the fuzzy blue top. I think this outfit needs some accessories. Let's put some glasses on Bacon. What button is the glasses? Yeah, you got it. Should he wear sunglasses? Pentagon glasses? Or patterned glasses? Bacon wanted the pentagon glasses. I think our blue outfit is finished. Now Bacon is ready to go to a party.